Brilliant Supply Chain. Understand supply chain for business development. Topic of today's discussion is operations. So what is operations? Operations is at core of a business. This is where business adds value into raw materials or process raw materials to convert them into finished products. This is nothing but available inventory plus energy is equal to satisfaction of customer demand. Operations play a huge role in an organization's success. Having a successful business is tricky, and so is implementing operations process for an organization. I like to imagine operations as torso of a human body. We have many important organs located in the torso. These organs are lungs, heart, liver, kidney, intestine, and stomach. Similarly, a business body has components like production, warehouse, etc. that act as organs of the business. Here lungs acts as sales and operations plan for the business and is used for regulating flow of resources. Production plant is the heart of any business. Management acts like liver that makes strategic decisions for consuming resources effectively. Quality assurance acts like kidney for filtering all impurities. Intestine is assembly line and stomach is storage or warehouse. Operations has a responsibility to fulfill demand of customers in order to make money for the business. This is only possible if finished products are available for purchasing. Fulfilling the demand of customers is a linear process and it is constrained by capacity, resources, and time available. Only after managing these three factors effectively can operations successfully fulfill customer demand. Now we know what is operations and what's the role of operations for a business. Let's put this information in a box right next to business and supply chain box, and we will come back in future to discuss these topics in details. In the next video, we will understand the role of marketing and how marketing is useful for a business. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Brilliant Supply Chain and never miss out on videos. Happy learning!